Howdy everyone, this is Grant with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're looking at the really pretty Eastline residences, and this is their fitness center. I mean, how cool is this? This is so big, but what I also love about it is just how light it is, just all the windows and all the equipment that's here. This is a lot of equipment, and you know, this is a big room, but they've packed in tons of equipment. There's barbells, dumbbells, kettlebells, Smith machine. There's the barbells there. There's ellipticals, treadmills, spin bikes, filtered water available there. And man, I mean, just so much here. Wow, it's really a lot. There's some machine aided weights for arms and legs, and you know, that's what I do. I do weights and cardio, so it's really cool to see that. So there's also a separate room, a studio room. So you've got some spin bikes in here. You can do, you can pick from this little TV and pick a program to run as you're doing on the bikes in there. And there's some other equipment here too. So very cool. I would say this is an A fitness center. This is an A. You probably won't need most of the time to have any kind of outside membership is my point. Beautiful fitness center here at the Eastline Residences.